Replication or DragFill in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes typing in a great big list of words or labels can be really tedious. So Microsoft Excel have built in a system of replicating lists really quickly. So they've got some built-in ones such as days of the week, months of the year, etc. And you can build a list simply by selecting Monday, as I've typed here, and then clicking on the DragFill or Replication button in the bottom right-hand corner, and then simply dragging it down, and you'll see that labels appear. This works also with things like team names, which don't appear in Microsoft. However, they recognize the pattern and it works equally as well. So things also like Jan, so shortened abbreviations of January, will also work. So hopefully that will speed you on your way to getting your Excel spreadsheets built a little faster.